with core activities in the energy and industry sectors. The PC1 ecosystem includes investment in renewable energy, investment in eco-industrial park infrastructure and eco-friendly residential real estate, mining and mineral processing with a focus on green production technology, EPC general contracting and comprehensive solutions for renewable energy plants, power projects and industrial facilities, design and manufacturing of galvanized steel structures for domestic supply and export, smart solutions, streamlined system management and corporate social responsibility. Energy Investment Block. As of 2024, PC1's 10 renewable energy plants have supplied over 5 billion kilowatt-hours of clean electricity, reducing more than 4 million tons of CO2, significantly contributing to the nation's green and clean energy supply. In 2024, PC1 began construction on new hydropower plants, Bak Lak A and Tang Hai, aiming to harness the rare natural resources of the Northeast region as part of the group's renewable energy investment strategy. Industrial Park Infrastructure and Residential Real Estate Investment and Business Block. In 2024, Nomura Haifeng Industrial Park, a part of PC1 Group, received green certification as a model industrial park with high-quality, well-integrated infrastructure and a strong track record of attracting FDI. The company has invested in an intelligent integrated operations center infrastructure, along with an app-based technology platform, enabling real-time connectivity between customers and government agencies to enhance operational efficiency. The Nomura 2 Industrial Park has received investment policy approval from the Prime Minister, and PC1 is prepared to implement the project following a smart, green, and well-equipped industrial park chain model. Residential Real Estate Investment and Business Block. Building on PC1's foundation as a professional, reliable, and responsible real estate investor and developer, the Residential Real Estate Division broke ground on the Golden Tower project in 2024. The project focuses on developing and preparing to introduce modern houses, functional residential properties to the market, integrating green technology and eco-friendly designs. This initiative contributes to the urban modernization of the local area. Mineral Exploration and Processing Block. The PC1 mineral processing plant in Kaobang continues to operate reliably, utilizing advanced, highly automated technology and pioneering environmental protection solutions. A cooperation agreement for product consumption and technological expansion with the Trifigura, a leading global group in the non-ferrous metal sector, was successfully renewed and implemented. EPC General Contractor Block for Energy Project. On the strategic path to affirming its position among the top 3 in Vietnam and top 5 in Southeast Asia in the field of EPC contracting for renewable energy power plants, in 2024, PC1 has been continuously investing in market research, adopting new management and construction technologies, training human resources for international collaboration, and expanding into international markets in several developed countries. Domestically, PC1 is tapping into the market through several high-tech specialized engineering projects and contracts, such as supplying 500 kV transmission line equipment, designing, supplying equipment and constructing the subsea cable section for the project connecting Con Zhao District, Bai Ria, Vu Tang Province to the national grid. 2024 marks a promising beginning for international market expansion with significant milestones, successfully signing the EPC contract for the Camarines Sur wind power plant in the Philippines, securing a contract for steel structure supply in Australia, providing TPC services for an offshore wind power project in Taiwan, constructing a 500 kV transmission line connecting to a 600 MW wind power plant in Laos. EPC General Constructor Block, driven by strong ambition, aspires to establish itself as a high-growth, reputable and internationally recognized general contractor. Electrical and Industrial Construction Block. With the mission of affirming and developing PC1's reputation in Vietnam's power construction industry, 2024 has seen the successful completion of many important projects, exceeding business plan targets. Among them, the 500 kV Circuit 3 transmission project has positioned PC1 as a leader in professional project management, advanced construction equipment, top-tier productivity, and project progress. PC1 has been recognized by the government and the power sector. Design and fabrication of steel structures for the power and telecommunications block. Affirming its position as Vietnam's leader in the design and fabrication of steel structures for ultra-high voltage transmission lines and telecommunications projects, to date, more than 48,000 tons of various types of steel poles have been produced, notably including tubular steel poles designed and manufactured by DAST. These have been officially adopted in large quantities for the 500 kV Circuit 3 transmission project, offering significant advantages to Vietnam's power sector and highlighting PC1's unique competitive edge. PC1 has earned numerous prestigious awards, solidifying its strong market position. These accolades not only recognize the company's exceptional achievements in production and business operations, but also highlights its commitment to sustainable development. Through its efforts, PC1 continues to drive economic growth, support social progress, and promote environmental protection. On its journey of growth and development, PC1 remains steadfast in its commitment to social responsibility and sustainable growth, seamlessly integrating these principles with its business objectives. Every product and project undertaken by PC1 is designed with a strong focus on green production, safe consumption, and environmental sustainability. Enhancing the quality of life of thousands of employees through meaningful initiatives is a key part of the group's social responsibility. The PC1 Sustainable Development Center has established strategic partnerships with leading central hospitals and experts trained in developed countries. Through these collaborations, the center provides training, transfers streamlined operational and management processes for hospital administration, enhances patient care and treatment, standardizes high-quality surgical rooms, and improves treatment effectiveness, ultimately increasing patients' chances of survival. Contributing tens of billions of VND to support ethnic minority families in PC1's project areas and assisting communities in recovering from the aftermath of Typhoon No. 3. Social responsibility has become an integral part of PC1's corporate culture. As 2025 approaches, the PC1 team remains dedicated to continuous innovation and enhancement of initiatives that promote sustainable development and community engagement. PC1 embraces Vietnam's entry into a new era, one of transformation and growth with the spirit of innovation, breakthrough, development, and social progress. We aspire to remarkable achievements, aiming to elevate international government standards, drive innovation, adopt cutting-edge technology, strengthening our brand, and foster prosperity for a more progressive and thriving Vietnam. PC1, always reliable.